Hello dear friends, today I will show you 8 amazing bathroom products you can buy Aliexpress. Links to all the products in the description below. For not missing out on the products I'll be sharing, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell and like this video. Let's go! Upgrade your shower experience with the digital temperature display LED shower head. This innovative bathroom accessory features 3/7 color changes, creating a relaxing ambience. With high-pressure functionality and a turbo nozzle, enjoy a spa-like shower experience at home. Streamline your morning routine with the creative wall-mount automatic toothpaste dispenser. This clever bathroom accessory keeps toothpaste organized and dispenses it effortlessly. Its waterproof design ensures durability, while the built-in toothbrush holder keeps your space tidy. Elevate your bathroom with this practical addition for a more organized and convenient experience. Elevate your bathroom routine with the Handheld Bidet sprayer set. Crafted from durable 300 for stainless steel, this versatile spray gun offers comfort and cleanliness. Its user-friendly design and self-cleaning feature make it a practical addition to your toilet. Upgrade your bathroom. Experience today. Upgrade your bathroom with the leaf-shaped soap box. This stylish soap holder not only keeps your soap dry, but also adds a touch of nature-inspired design to your space. It's a practical and charming bathroom accessory that enhances your organization. Experience touchless convenience with the automatic soap dispenser. This electric dispenser features an infrared sensor for effortless and hygienic soap dispensing, perfect for kitchen or bathroom use. Introducing the Silicone kitchen sink plug and shower filter drain cover. This versatile stopper and sink strainer, designed for both kitchen and bathroom use, effectively catches hair and debris. Keep your drains clear and prevent clogs with this essential accessory that adds functionality to your space. Discover the ultimate bathroom cleaning solution with the flexible silicone toilet brush. This innovative set combines flexibility and efficiency to tackle your bathroom cleaning needs. The breathable bowl head and quick drying holder ensure a hygienic and practical cleaning experience. Elevate your bathroom maintenance routine with this advanced and versatile tool that's designed for both effectiveness and convenience. Upgrade your bathroom experience with the all-in-one silicone bath mat. This exceptional shower rug boasts a combination of non-slip design and memory foam cushioning, ensuring comfort and safety. Its super absorbent and quick drying properties make it ideal for stone floors, while its softness adds a touch of luxury. Elevate your bathroom aesthetics and functionality with this must-have accessory. Today, I showed 8 amazing bathroom products with you. Don't forget to write on the comments, which products do you like the most? Subscribe to my channel and like this video.